Bitterns are shy birds that hide in tall reeds. They make deep, booming calls that sound like blowing across a bottle. Their brown feathers help them blend in perfectly. Avocets have long legs and upturned beaks. They sweep their bills through shallow water for food. Their black and white feathers look elegant. Lapwings have shiny green feathers and funny crests. They call peewit when flying over fields. They protect their nests bravely. Oystercatchers have orange beaks perfect for opening shells. They love beaches and rocky shores. Their loud calls sound like laughter. Curlews have very long, curved beaks. They use them to dig for worms in mud. Their gentle calls echo over the wetlands. Snipes are small brown birds with long bills. They hide in marshes and make a drumming sound when flying. They are hard to spot. Godwits are tall birds with straight beaks. They travel thousands of miles during migration. They rest in wetlands and eat tiny creatures. Whimbrels look like small curlews with striped heads. They fly long distances across oceans. They whistle softly while migrating. Plovers are round little shorebirds. They run fast along beaches looking for food. They pretend to have a hurt wing to protect their babies. Sand grouse live in deserts. They fly far to find water and carry it in their feathers for their chicks. They are desert heroes. Jacanas are known as lily trotters. Their super long toes let them walk on floating plants. They love warm, still waters. Coursers run across dry lands with quick legs. They have sandy feathers that match the desert. They chase insects under the hot sun. Pratincoles are birds that look like swallows but live on the ground. They fly beautifully and catch insects in midair. They love open plains. Sunbirds are tiny and shiny like living jewels. They drink nectar just like hummingbirds. Their bright colors sparkle in sunlight. Spider hunters are relatives of sunbirds. They have long curved beaks to pick spiders and nectar. They live in tropical forests. Bellbirds make sounds like ringing bells. Their clear calls can be heard miles away. Males are bright white and love singing from treetops.